Today we are celebrating here with McKeever Elementary. One of our teachers, Mr. Villegas, has applied for the Education Foundation mini grant. And so he was awarded, and so his project was to connect with one of the elementary schools to create an outside classroom. And so the students are PTI students, since they do take construction carpentry class on campus. They created some mini benches.
After researching the benefits of having outdoor instruction, I applied for a mini grant through the Education Foundation, and we were able to get $1,000, and we were able to make like 30 picnic tables for different schools. Research has shown that the more the senses that the students engage while they're learning anything, the more likely they are to retain the information. I would like to give thanks to the foundation, because without them, we wouldn't have the opportunity to have the amount of material that we had to have these outdoor classrooms for many schools.
The sole purpose is to raise money to give it all back. Mr. Villegas submitted an application, so he got a grant to do this. And without the materials and the expense involved to build these, it may have been more difficult for him to do that. So we gave out 45 grants. That's what the foundation does, and this is why we exist.